Welcome to the Joyful Movement series powered by C60 Purple Power. We're combining the ancient art of Qigong and breathwork to revitalize, awaken, and support vibrant living. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the icon to turn on notifications and stay up to date with the latest releases from C60 Purple Power. This episode features a joyful movement practice to increase and heal lung capacity. It's a great way to deepen your breath and expand connection in life. To begin this practice, hand comes to the elbow crease, 4-finger width, and another 4-finger width to find lung 3 acupuncture point to deepen and activate the breath. Massaging this point at the border of the bicep, focusing on deep, expanded breath, allowing yourself to linger a little bit between the breaths, opening, deepening lung capacity. We'll repeat on the opposite side, coming 2 hand widths up. This point is a powerful reactivation point for the lungs and supports vital connection of the lungs' capacity to take in breath, to release breath back into the environment, and ultimately to connect into the world. For this practice, we're going to come into a wide horseback stance. Arms reach out to the sides. We're going to activate that lung channel, big expanded breaths in, using the knife edge of the hand to hit and open up the lung channel. Reaching out through the arms, inhale and exhale. Exaggerated breath to open up through that channel. Start by clearing chi, inhaling, washing and clearing energy back into the earth. Inhaling and collecting energy, and then washing it through and grounding it back into the earth. As we've activated the lungs and the lung channel, we're now clearing through, clarifying this pathway to create more vital space for new energy and new connection. Hands come to the chest, inhaling, expanding out. Fingertips reach all the way out to the side, stretching through the tendons, exhaling, condensing, drawing energy back in. Exhaling, drawing energy in. Inhaling, lengthening through the joints, through the fingers, reaching out. Mind focuses on the pathway of the lung, pausing at the center to reverse the direction of the breath. Exhaling, expanding out. Inhaling, drawing in. Working with the elastic nature of the pathway of the lungs. Pausing at the center to reverse the breath, exhaling, expanding outward, and inhaling, drawing back in, reversing the electric, elastic energy of the lungs. Mind focuses the exhale and inhale on the pathway of the lung. We'll finish by collecting chi, filling up that pathway that has now been clarified and opened. Inhaling, gathering from earth, nature, and the heavens. Exhaling, settling that energy, storing it in lower region of the body. Drawing our stance in, collecting all of that energy into the lungs, Focusing on a deep suspended breath practice, inhaling for a count of 4, pausing for a count of 4, exhaling for a count of 4, pausing for a count of 4. Noticing the space between breaths, and coming back into lung 3, and just reactivating this point, taking that deep suspended breath into the energy of this point. Focusing on deepened capacity of breath. We'll repeat on the opposite side. Noticing the space between breaths. And to complete our practice, we'll add some tapping across all the regions of the lungs, making sure to get the bottom parts of the lungs and the sides. Big breath, waking up the lung region on both sides, and expanding the breath into the back of the lungs. Before completing our practice, allow that energy to settle into the lungs, taking just a few moments to focus on the expanded capacity of the breath. Closing the practice, you can use this practice on a daily basis to heal and increase lung capacity. If you've enjoyed this practice, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button, and share with a friend. Be wellness.